Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
We've got a hard-boiled egg. That's a Duke avocado, one of my favorites. Some Havarti cheese, dill pickle, some sourdough bread, mayo, and mustard. Mike Foster here, ready for a sandwich. This is a killer egg avocado sandwich with some pickle and some, oh man. I'm gonna toast this bread, put this bad boy together. Fast, simple, and easy. Delicious. Check this one out. All right, just out of the toaster, still warm. We're gonna put butter on both sides. This is gonna be a delicious sandwich. You mark my words. Mark them. Put them somewhere and mark them. Now we take the mayo, put it on this side. I'm gonna put that half a piece of the Havarti right there. Do the old flipperoo, see it? That's the flipperoo. Mustard, right here. This is just regular yellow mustard. Another piece of Havarti. Press, flip. Ooh, that's mustardy. And we take that hard-boiled egg and we smash-a-roo here. Oh my goodness, you know. That's perfect. I did it perfect. I can't help it. Let me take this avocado and just smash-a-roo here. Look at you, squeeze it right out of its thing. Just like that. Just like that. How's that avocado look? Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Now, eggs and avocado like a little salt and a little pepper. We got the pickles. Put 2 right there. Well, it's time for the flipperoo, that's for sure. Ready? Oh. Press-a-roo. Let's give the old slice-a-roo. The reveal. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that looks good. Close up, coming up. Oh, that looks really good. I can't wait for a big bite. There's my latest sandwich sensation from Mike Foster, the Sandwich King. I've got lots of sandwiches. Check them all out if you like this video. But let's just focus on this one and see how this one tastes. I'm getting it from all over. I'll taste that egg. Oh, the creaminess of that avocado. That dill pickle. The mustard's tangy. Oh, this is good. The Havarti cheese is there in the background. It's a really good sandwich. Check this one out. Oh, one more bite. For more videos, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Keep living life 365. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Center it, clean the board. For more for more videos. That's a sweet baboo right there. Yabba dabba babba doo boo boo ba doo boo.